Every minute, 400 pounds of hydrogen and almost 7 pounds of helium escapes from Earth's atmosphere into outer space. It is this process, known as atmospheric escape, that could one day lead to the death of life on our planet, according to one expert. An astrophysicist has said the escaping gases could, over billions of years, turn our planet into a dry, desolate world like Mars. Anjali Tripathi, from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, explained in a recent TED Talk how atmospheric escape could cause our planet to dry up. In the far future, the sun is going to get brighter. As that happens, the heating that we find from the sun is going to become very intense, and gas is going to stream off from the Earth. What we can look forward to, or at least prepare for, is the fact that in the far future, the Earth is going to look more like Mars. She said, our hydrogen, from water that is broken down, is going to escape into space more rapidly, and we're going to be left with this dry, reddish planet. So don't fear, it's not for a few billion years, so there's some time to prepare. Atmospheric escape is the process by which gases leave a planet's atmosphere every minute. 400 pounds of hydrogen and almost 7 pounds of helium escape from Earth into space, she said, and this is gas that is going off and never coming back. Stars drive atmospheric escape from planets because stars give off light and heat that can cause the atmospheres to heat up and escape. These gases make up our atmosphere, which causes the boundary of Earth to appear as a thin blue line when photographed from the International Space Station. For example, this tenuous veneer around our planet is what allows life to flourish. It protects our planet from too many impacts from meteorites and the like, and it's such an amazing phenomenon that the fact that it's disappearing should frighten you, at least a little bit. In the past, scientists believe the same process happened on Mars, causing it to dramatically change from a much wetter planet to the dry, arid land it is now. Mars, our nearest neighbor, is much smaller than Earth, so it has much less gravity with which to hold on to its atmosphere. Ms. Tripathi said, even though Mars has an atmosphere, we can see it's much thinner than the Earth. Just look at the surface. You see craters indicating that it didn't have an atmosphere that could stop those impacts. Also, we see that it's the red planet, and atmospheric escape plays a role in Mars being red. That's because we think Mars used to have a wetter past, and when water had enough energy, it broke up into hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen being so light, it escaped into space, and the oxygen that was left oxidized or rusted the ground, making that familiar rusty red color that we see. This means, if the same process happens on Earth, our home could become a red planet too.